Let's learn about agrometeorology tools and equipment. First, what is an agrometeorology station and its purpose? It is a specialized weather monitoring system designed specifically for agriculture, which measures key meteorological parameters like temperature, humidity, wind speed, rainfall, and soil conditions to provide crucial data for farmers to make informed decisions about their crops, optimizing their farming practices based on real-time weather conditions. So, here is the list of available tools and equipment in VSU Agromet Station. Campbell-Stokes Sunshine Recorder. The device in the image is called a Campbell-Stokes Sunshine Recorder. It is used to measure the duration of bright sunshine. The device works by using a glass sphere to focus sunlight onto a specially treated card, creating a burn mark. The length of the burn mark indicates the number of hours of bright sunshine. Sunshine card out in a meteorological sun recorder, typically referred to as a Campbell-Stokes Sunshine Recorder, is a specialized card used to record the duration of sunshine by capturing burn marks left by the focused sunlight from a glass sphere, essentially acting as a visual record when the sun is directly shining throughout the day. The length of the burn marks on the card corresponds to the total sunshine duration. Anemometer used to measure wind speeds. Determine growing locations and areas to erect wind breaks or wind generators. Also use anemometers to find suitable days for spraying or dusting crops and taking crop samples, as well as for recording storm intensities and collecting long-term environmental data about an area. Digital barometers. Today's digital barometers measure and display complex atmospheric data more accurately and quickly than ever before. Many digital barometers display both current barometric readings and previous 1, 3, 6, and 12-hour readings in a bar chart format, much like a barograph. A barograph is a device that records atmospheric pressure changes over time as a graph. The graph is called a barogram. How it works. A barograph has a pressure-sensitive element, like a partially evacuated metal cylinder. When the pressure changes, the element expands or contracts. A lever system connects the element to a pen arm. The pen arm moves up or down, tracing the pressure changes on a revolving drum of paper. A wind indicator is a device that measures and displays wind speed and direction. Wind indicators can be mechanical, electronic, and visual. An automatic weather station (AGSC) is a device that automatically measures and records weather conditions through their advanced sensors, data loggers, and communication systems. AWS provide accurate and real-time weather data. An evaporation pan is used to hold water during observations for the determination of the quantity of evaporation at a given location. Standard rain gauge 8 inches standard. Rain gauges measure rainfall to help with weather forecasting, flood control, and irrigation. They also help with emergency preparedness and studying weather patterns. Uses for agriculture. Determine irrigation. Rain gauges help farmers decide when to water crops and how much water they need. Plan planting and harvesting. Rain gauges help farmers decide when to plant and harvest crops. A 0.5 millimeters tipping bucket rain gauge measures rainfall by counting the number of times a bucket tips over. It's a common tool used in weather stations. The device shown in the image is called a Stevenson screen or instrument shelter. It is a protective enclosure for meteorological instruments like thermometers and psychrometer. The Stevenson screen shields these instruments from precipitation and direct heat radiation while allowing air to circulate freely. It is a standard component of a weather station. Thank you for watching.